You're gonna need Kahlua, vodka, and Baileys Irish cream. You're gonna need ice, a jigger, a shaker, a strainer, like this, and you're going to put all that in a rocks glass. So the first step is to take this shaker here and pour a little bit of ice. So I'm going to start with the vodka, and I'm going to pour 1 ounce. There's the Kahlua here. I'm going to go ahead and pour 1 ounce of Kahlua. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 1 ounce of Baileys in here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and shake the drink. Then you're going to take this cup here. You're going to pour ice all the way. You're going to strain the drink in the glass. And there you go. Mudslide. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.